Happy Friday, good people. It is Nicolasa. Today is April the 9th, and I have a package in front of you that is from Buy Sell Trade. It is 3 days late, but who's counting? And I guess there are other things going on in the world, so I can't really complain. Rest in peace, DMX. I hope he's no longer struggling with his demons. This purchase was not necessary, just like most of my purchases are not. I had already bought this, and if you guys have watched my other video and you know that I received my Janet custom back from Jamie, I purchased this before this time that she said she was going to send it back to me. This is, like I said, a buy sell trade purchase, so let's get to it. I don't know what I'm going to use it for other than for right now. I'm going to use it for a journal. And then I have to see, because I'm really not in this size, but I just absolutely had to have it because you guys will see why in just 1 second. If you are not familiar with Spek, it comes in a lovely, like, I don't know, really hardcore box. What I mean by hardcore is it's nice and thick and made with quality. It's like a cardboard box. Typically speaking, you'll get a little note inside that says, "Hi, I'm your new VDS planner." My rescue dog that I just walked by, I found him crossing the street and I rescued him. I'm not sure who rescued who, but this is a Totoro Croco standard size codex. If you get inside, ooh, you guys, you already know what's going on. It is my Bois. Is this Bois de Rose? I want to say this is, the interior has Bois de Rose on the inside, which is a touch me leather. This I think was listed as maybe it was not listed as Barbie Nap. I have to take a look at the listing. It is the basic. It doesn't have a pen loop. It doesn't have pockets. It just has your 4 strings. And again, with the exterior being Totoro Croco print, I love it. I did have this exact setup in Janet leather black, and I ended up selling it because guys, don't even get me started. I don't know why I sold it, okay? I really don't. I literally just sold it last week, and then when I saw this, I was like, oh, let me grab it. Something's wrong with me. What I love about Spek is typically the hardware matches each other. So there you have silver hardware on here. I probably would have opted for gold if it were like me doing a custom order, but it wasn't. On the interior, like I said, TM Touch Me Bois de Rose. That is a weightless leather, I guess because of the color, but I'm not sure. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my stuff inside. I normally use this size as a journal. Right now I'm in a standard as a journal. So if you look at some of my other videos, you'll see my Janet leather undyed as my journal. Of course, I sold that too. Again, if you ask me the reasons why I do things, I don't know. I'm not even gonna make excuses anymore because I really do not know. And I just buy them again. Maybe I like unboxing. Maybe I like opening them. I have no idea. All right, you guys, I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna come back. I absolutely love the print on the exterior of the Totoro Croco. I've always liked that. It's actually very soft. You would think that it's kind of like a rough leather. It's not. And I love the way that it is accented with Bois de Rose. I love it with that or Barbie Napa because I think it's just so timeless and classic. I'm going to get her all set up, and I'm going to come back with you and show you how I'm using her as a journal. Again, standard size. I hope that you guys are enjoying your Friday and that you have great plans for the weekend. If you're a subscriber of my channel, thank you so much for always supporting me. Please like and leave me a comment down below. If you are not a subscriber, you should be. Please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and make sure you know when I update videos or upload videos. Have a great day, guys. I'm going to come back and show you how I have her decorated out. Have a great weekend.